a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from QVR, better known as Queen Virgin Remy. Now, before we get into the video, if you find that you like my personality or either just the styling of this video, please make sure to subscribe. But even more importantly, if you find that you like the unit that I'm going to be showing you guys today, just know that all of the information for it will be linked down in the description box below. So we all know that fall is pretty much here, and when fall comes, of course, so does the reddish brown wigs and so does the ginger wigs. QVR sent me over this stunning 13x4 ginger orange body wave wig. This is how the unit is being portrayed online, and then this is how the unit is looking in person. Very vibrant, very ginger, very much so identical to what's being portrayed. As mentioned a second ago, I did receive this unit in a 13x4, but they do also offer this unit in a T-lace format and also a 13x6. The textures offered for this unit are body wave and straight. I received the body wave. When it comes to the lengths offered for this unit, they do offer 14 all the way down to 30 inches. I received the 26 inch. Now, I was looking online at the product details for this unit, and it's pretty much stated everything that I've said thus far, but I will also let you guys know that this unit did come in 180% density, and also the cap sizing for this unit says that it's supposed to fit 22 to 22.5 inch circumference heads. Now, I have a 23 inch circumference head, so hopefully she's not too tight and she doesn't squeeze or anything like that, but of course I'll let you guys know that later on in the video. Now, something else I noticed on the website is that it does say that this unit comes with baby hairs and also a pre-plucked hairline. Now, mind you, whenever a company says that, in my mind I'm just like, I don't care about the baby hairs because I don't really care for baby hairs. I use them every now and then, but I'm more so caring about the pre-plucked portion because I don't feel like I'm the strongest plucker, but I am getting better, might I add. This unit, when they said pre-plucked, they really meant pre-plucked. When I pulled this unit out of the box, I was just like, okay, QVR, I see you. Like, let's be real, vibrant color, pre-plucked to the heavens, knots bleached to perfection. Like, they did not come to play. When it comes to the cap construction for this unit, it comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 1 on each side of the unit, and then 1 in the very center of the unit. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. But on that security band, it also has like this silicone rubbery situation that helps attach to the skin to make sure that the unit stays in place even more. Y'all, when I say I haven't done anything to this unit, like, I have not done anything. I mean, of course I like washed her, conditioned her, and then I let her air dry, but as far as customization goes, like, nothing has been done. So I don't know, with the unit being so vibrant in color, I don't think I'm gonna go crazy with like styling it. I think I'm gonna do some like simple layers, maybe add some curls, and then go from there. So let's go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts and opinions at the end. Okay, before we move any further into the video, I just wanted to show you guys like how good this looks. Mind you, again, I have not plucked or anything, no bleaching, no nothing, and this like literally looks like scalp. But I also want to let you guys know that this lace is super thin, which of course is a great thing, but it's so thin to where I have just ripped the siding right here. So just be mindful of that. Don't tug too hard or else you'll end up in a situation like this. But okay, let's keep going. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Queen Virgin Remy. All I can say is stunning, stunning, stunning. 10 out of 10, would recommend. I literally have no complaints. Even if I tried with all my might to think of at least one con, I literally cannot think of any. The hair is not tangling, the hair is not shedding. Like I stated earlier, they said that this unit comes pre-plucked with baby hairs. This unit has baby hairs and most definitely came pre-plucked. It's literally giving scalp. Had I not used my foundation brush too close to the lace and just like left it alone, you probably wouldn't even be able to see the lace. Like, I mean, of course, lace is lace, but you know what I mean when I say melted. Like, honey, it's melted. The color is so vibrant and stunning, and I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be doing like a little bit too much, but like, come on now, this is perfect for the freaking fall. Like, even though it's like 100 degrees here, I am wearing this long sleeve shirt because I mean, I just felt like it went with the hair. Like, come on, you can't tell me I don't look like a cute little pumpkin spice latte. Like I stated earlier, I didn't want to do too much to the hair just because of the vibrancy of the hair. So just some simple layers and curls did this unit just right. And with this unit being 180% density, I think that's perfect. I feel like 150% density would have been like too light of a density for this unit. I don't know. It's just given the right amount of thickness and fullness in my opinion. I am so obsessed and so impressed by how well this unit came pre-plucked. Like, look at this. Like, yes ma'am. Like, literally no baby hairs in sight. It's looking like this hair grew straight from the scalp. Like, I love this for me. Earlier I said that I was going to let you guys know whether this unit was big head friendly or not, and she is for sure big head friendly. If anything, I could honestly adjust the adjustable straps just a little bit to make the unit a little bit tighter. Like, honey, when I say I have no complaints, I literally have no complaints. Make sure you guys check out this company. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.